Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. Welcome back. Forgot about the mic. Welcome back to another Hot Lap. Hot Lap number 116. It is June 23rd. Another day here at Faction Motorsports. Gloomy day. Gloomy day, but we're here. Week after week. Serving the public, serving the community. And we thank you for that. All right, well, what do we got going on here today? Well, it's the 23rd, so have about a week and some change left in the month. A week? Maybe a week. 1 week. So you got 7 days to enter our giveaway for our Koyo Rad bundle. You get a free Koyo radiator, oil cooler, and a rad cap of your choice. All you have to do is spend $5 on the website. Every $5 is one entry. If you buy Koyo products during this time, it's triple entries. Oh, the co-host of the show. Didn't get him there. But yeah, you got a week left. Get those entries in. If you buy merch, it's double entries. We have some merch in stock. Oh, there he goes again. Oh, we missed him again. Hey, damn it. Got some new shirts. Thank you to everybody who's been ordering the shirts. Some of our Snap-on viewers from the Snap-on videos bought this Snap-off shirt. Appreciate you guys. Go look at our collection. Should see it on the front page. Is he over there? Sneaking around. Damn. There he goes again.
What do you want?
Hey, how's your day going?
I don't know.
Okay. Anything new?
No.
All right.
Koyo stuff though.
Yeah, I told him about it. Enter the giveaway. Enter the giveaway. Let's see what else we got.
What video are you coming out with this weekend?
Eddie has some videos in the queue this week.
Koyo? Koyo video.
Oh, you installed a Koyo.
Yep.
For the sake of the giveaway this month.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what Nissan parts we got in. Here's just let him in.
Okay.
Here's just a handful of the Nissan parts we get on the daily.
I'm ordering more right now.
Let's see. Got some brake line clips. You always need those. SR20 multi-layer exhaust manifold gasket. Come on, guys. Look at it. Part number right there. Boom. Buy those. What else we got? What is this? Did you buy a thermostat for your Z?
I probably bought a thermostat for that Z.
For the other Z. Ooh, for the 300?
No. For the Z that's here right now. Thank God it came in.
Oh. Well, here you go. What else we got? If you guys are doing a little trans service on your car, maybe doing the clutch. Got that front cover gasket. Part number 3211208U01. Front cover gasket. What else we got? Oh, side seals for diff. For S13 or 240 diff. What else we got? 12279 AD205. That is a rear main seal for SR20. And KA, I'm pretty sure. What else we got? Oh, look at this. 08510512008. That is a headlight bezel screw.
Frank from Faction Motorsports. We're trying to see if one of our orders went through.
This guy's rude as hell.
We're trying to see if one of our repair
Taking a business call
orders went through.
while I'm filming. Ooh, here we go. 1231542L11. That is a flywheel bolt for a KA. Look at that. How long were these things in the warehouse? Look how old these things look. Dang, nobody gets KA love no more. That's about it. That's all the cool stuff. Let's get out of here. Guy's on the phone. Ow, my foot. Got one more of these seats left. Somebody buy that. Come on. Buy it now. Buy it now. What do we got in here today? Ooh, it's a GZ day. Look at that. Got Jesus. Jesus over here working on the G35. Why is there so much rust on the ground? What is... Gee, just a classic G, you know? Oh my gosh. Looks like you're doing an excavation over here.
Yeah, I'm digging for dinosaur bones.
Jeez.
I'm a paleontologist. You heard, Damien?
Hey, his daddy's a hero. He's a superhero. What is this guy getting? He's getting GK Tech front upper control arms installed.
The
Diff.
No, subframe collar bushings.
Subframe collar bushing.
The slip-on bushings that go in between
Yep.
the stock bushings.
And an alignment, obviously.
Yep.
Drift car, right?
Yes.
Yep. A lot of rust on the ground. Jeez. See what Chris is working on over here. Chris got a pretty clean 350Z on here. Ooh, look at these OEM raised Nissan wheels.
These are the anniversary wheels.
Anniversary wheels. Is this an anniversary car? Can you tell? Can you tell?
I think so.
Maybe the color. Is that an anniversary color? Ooh, Nismo exhaust. Oh, this guy's cool.
But this, yeah, it's probably an anniversary. Brembos, leather seats, heated seats, Bose speakers.
And the Bose. The
Bose.
These are the Brembos that Frankie got for his Z.
Doing a little wide pipe.
Yeah, this guy's doing an ISR wide pipe. He is also doing full diff service, getting the diff trans fluid swapped, changed. I forget what else. A couple more things. But yeah, it's a pretty cool car. Pretty cool car. Pretty stock besides the exhaust and the... Yeah, besides the exhaust. Well, the exhaust is stock. It's Nismo. What am I saying? What do I know? What do I know? Eddie uploaded a 350Z video the other day. You're doing a throwout bearing replacement on that. King Crytek says, how much labor would y'all charge to put in a brand new transmission with the clutch while you are there? If I had to guess, probably $1,200 to $1,500 for that. And then, you know, you might have to change some seals while you're at it, the fluid. Plus seals and fluid, we'll say around 15 around there, ballpark. How do you bleed the clutch if the slave is internal on the Z, Chris?
Say what now?
How do you bleed the clutch if the slave is internal on the Z?
A bleeder valve is on the outside. It's right here. This. If you can see it, Eddie. See that thing?
See that little nipple?
That little thing? That thing right there?
Focus now, right there.
Come on.
Yeah,
That.
right there.
Yep. That's
Bleeders
the one.
on the outside. There you go. Who asked that? KTCYVI. I don't know. We uploaded a podcast with Zach and Steve of ES Fabrications the other day. Pretty fun podcast. Not any conversation about cars or drifting or anything. Kind of just complaining about the New World Order and the housing crisis. So yeah, go give that a listen. Pretty fun. Oh, and there was a new Snap-on video on Friday. Somebody said you guys are bringing possibly the best on-truck Snap-on videos as of late. Keep up the great work. Has the vibe and interest of what early coon trucking videos had. Coon trucking?
Snap-on truck guy. He goes on the Snap-on trucks.
I
was questioning the name as well.
Coon trucking. White guy? Is that a white guy, Eddie? Yeah. Raccoon trucking, maybe? Short for raccoon truck.
With a K.
With a K. With a K. It is with a K, yeah. Coon trucking. Whatever.
Happy Juneteenth.
Happy Juneteenth. Wait, no, it's not. Wait. 4 days ago. 4 days ago. Chris Rodriguez says, these videos are what I look forward to on Friday. My Snap-on guy loves me because of these. Haha. I'm in South Jersey. Would love to make my way up north and get something from Matt. Get something from Matt. His truck is clean. Hey man, if you see those videos, you see his phone number on the side. So I'm not saying to call him, but give him a call. The phone number's there for a reason. Allegedly. DK. Let's see what questions we have on the Instagram. Lunglass says, shop dog, question mark. I haven't brought Chip here in a minute. Chip is the shop dog. Part-time, though. Per diem. He's per diem. David in the 47 says, Honda Fit is peak automobile. I would love a Honda Fit. That might be my next car, Honda Fit one day. Just a nice little daily driver that you could whip around. Eddie wants one, too. I think everybody wants a Honda Fit. Who wouldn't want a Honda Fit? Ricardo RPS 13 says, y'all need an extra hand to help pack those care packages? Should be getting all of them out by tomorrow. We're just waiting on some... We got all the merch. Again. We're just waiting on some packaging to get them out because we ran out. JW Vince says, chest pocket t-shirt, please. I think we could do one of those. Would you guys rock with a chest pocket shirt? Oh, Chris says yeah. Yeah? Boss man said no. Frankie still dresses like a scene kid from 2009. If you haven't noticed. What is the best air filter for drifting? A clean one. Chris says, yup. Are you going to RSD July 4th? Probably not. 3387 archive. The JZX Chaser is the ugliest JZX you can get. JZX 100 Chaser is the ugliest JZX you could get. Just JZX. The ugliest JZX you could get.
That's crazy.
The JZX is the ugliest JZX.
JZX 100 Chaser is the ugliest JZX. I mean, I'm a JZX 90 Mark II fan. That's my go-to. What do you think about that? I feel like you like the Chasers, 100 Chasers.
Yeah, I like the 100, the 90. That's about it.
Yo, I saw somebody parked.
JZX 81.
JZX 81? Which one is that?
That's almost like Miyagi's.
Oh.
Press it up, but more body.
Yo, the other night in Asbury Park, I saw somebody parked up with a JZX 100 Chaser. It was silver. Who are you? Had a kind of looked like a Streamline kit on it or something. Who are you? Does anybody know that person? What is the ugliest JZX you can get, do you think? Is the Verosa's not a JZX, right? No. Is that a JZX 110? The 110 might be the ugliest one you could get.
The Verosa.
Yeah, the Verosa.
It's just a fucking Corolla.
That thing looks like a stink bug or something. Like a bug, like a beetle.
Like a what?
It looks like some type of bug, like the front of it. I don't know. Like a roly-poly-oly or something. It looks like some aquatic. It looks like a crustacean. That's what it looks like. Looks like a crustacean. Yeah. It does. Yeah. Oh, let me. What is this thing doing here? Get this thing out of here. Let me guys show you what I've been working on. Not you. I'm not here for you. I learned how to make it. Learned how to use Fusion, the CAD software, whatever it's called. What is it called? Autodesk Fusion. Learned how to use it, so I made some bracket things that Frankie told me to make. What do you guys think this is for? It's top secret. This is what Chris bent up, and this is what I created, and Gabe Correa printed it at his school for us as a prototype. Kind of worked.
It's nice.
Kind of worked, yeah.
Nice.
This measurement was a little off, but it might work still. I could tweak it.
You can keep your job.
Oh, thank you so much. This was like the end of the month test. If I fuck this up, it would have been it.
If you didn't become a full CAD engineer in one day, that would have been it.
Yeah. Damn.
But you managed to do it in one day.
Yes, sir.
Learn how to use CAD in one day.
Yeah. Well, this is just the sheet metal CAD. It's pretty.
Yeah, but you
pretty
had
straightforward.
no idea what you were doing.
No idea. Downloaded, installed,
Measured everything.
measured, and created in less than a work day.
But people can't find jobs. Right. You got everything at your fingertips. He could quit this job right now and make more money.
I'm planning on it.
I mean, I'm just saying, like, you could do whatever you want to do.
Yeah, look, I'm a genius.
You are. You kind of are.
If anybody is hiring for a CAD position, I will pack this shit up. Yeah. Part-time. Work from home. I'll do it.
Work from home. That's good.
Per diem. Like Chip, the dog. Well, that's it, guys. Who are you guys voting for the World Cup? Because
There's a match going on right now.
there's a match going on right now. Is it on out here? Oh, Portugal and Uzbekistan. Is this live right now? Yeah. Oh, you put this on? Dang, Eddie got that YouTube TV. I'm going for Uzbekistan. Oh, wait, they're down 4. Jeez, well.
Norway just beat Senegal yesterday.
Norway beat Senegal. That's...
Did you see their like celebrations, the crowd?
No.
There would be someone with a drum beating, and everyone would do like a
Oh, I saw
motion,
that.
and they go, ooh! And then it sounded crazy in the crowd, in the TV.
Yeah, those Nordic folk. They're intimidating. Well, that's it today, guys. That's the highlight. Put me in, coach. Golazo! Golazo! Imagine being on that field. Electric. I'm out.
Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on factionmotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry. Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries, and brand of the month products get you triple entries. Our brand of the month for June is Koyo Rad. For our raffle this month, we are partnering with Koyo Rad and giving away a radiator and oil cooler package for your vehicle. Koyo Rad has been a staple in the JDM scene here in the USA since 2000, and much earlier than that over in Japan. Koyo has always been the industry leader in cooling products when it comes to racing and drifting. Ever since I started drifting, Koyo has always been the radiator that my friends and I wanted to have in our cars, and to this day, it has not changed. Whether you are grip racing the mountain roads or drifting your local track, no one can stand the heat as well as Koyo Rad. They have also supported events like Final Bout for years now. They are directly involved with the community and are always innovating, so make sure to check out their radiators and other cooling products over at factionmotorsports.com.